Good morning. Our lesson today is graduation of the properties of elements in modern periodic table. Okay? We will study some properties of the elements such as the atomic size property, electronegativity property, metallic and non-metallic property. First one, the atomic size property. The atomic size is determined by knowing the atomic radius of the atom. Okay? The measuring unit of the atomic size is picometer. Okay? Picometer equal part of million of the million part of a meter. And picometer equal 1 by 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Let's go to the graduation of atomic size of element in the periodic table. Okay? In the same periods, the graduation we will study in the same period and in the same groups. First, in the same period, the atomic size decreases from left to right by increasing the atomic number. Give reason why the atomic size decreases due to the attraction force between nucleus and the electrons in the outermost energy level. In the groups or in the same groups, the atomic size increases. Why? From up to down by increasing of atomic number. Because by increasing the atomic number, the number of energy levels occupied with electrons increase. Okay? This is the atomic size. The elements of group 1A are the largest atomic size elements. Okay? The group 1A are the largest atomic size. The cesium element is the largest atomic size element in the modern periodic table. Fluorine is the smallest atomic size element in the modern periodic table. Okay? Let's go to the relation between the atomic number and the atomic size in period and in groups. The atomic size of element of the same period is inversely proportional to the atomic number. What is the meaning of inversely? By increasing the atomic number, the atomic size decreases. This mean of inversely. The atomic size of element of the same group is directly proportional to the atomic number. What is the meaning of directly? When the atomic number increase, the atomic size of the elements also increase. Okay, so they increase with each other and decreases with each other. Let's go to the second property, the electronegativity. What is the definition of electronegativity? It is the ability of the atom in the covalent molecule to attract the electrons of the chemical bond towards itself. Each element has its own value of electronegativity. Give reason. Inert gases haven't electronegativity. Why? Because they don't combine with other elements under the normal conditions. Okay? The difference in electronegativity play main role for determination the kind of the formed compound. So the types of compounds according to the difference in electronegativity. Number 1, polar compound. Number 2, non-polar compounds. Number 3, anionic compounds. Number 1, polar compound. They are covalent compounds in which the difference in electronegativity between its element is relatively high. Examples of polar compounds, 2 examples. Water, H2O, ammonia, NH3. So the water is a polar compound and the ammonia is also a polar compound. Give reason. Water and ammonia are from polar covalent compounds. Why? Because the difference in the electronegativity between the elements is relatively high. Okay? The polarity of water molecule is stronger than that of ammonia molecule. Why? Why the polarity of the water is stronger than the polarity of ammonia? Because the difference in the electronegativity between oxygen and hydrogen in water molecule is greater than the difference between nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia molecule. Okay, let's go to the metallic and non-metallic. We can classify elements according to their properties into four groups: metals, non-metals, semi-metals or metalloids, and noble gases. Okay, metals, they are elements which have less than 4 electrons in the outermost energy level. They tend to lose electron and change into positive ions. Okay, so the positive ion, it is an atom of a metallic element which lose or lost 1 electron or more during the chemical reaction. Non-metals, they are elements which have more than 4 electrons in their outermost energy level. What is the properties of the non-metal? Number one, they tend to gain electron and change into negative ion. Okay. Number two, the negative ion. The definition of negative ion: it's an atom of a non-metallic element which gains 1 electron or more during chemical reaction. Thanks.